Hello, this is Jerry Godwin from Student Advising Services again. Welcome to this presentation on how to add a course using MyUB Web Registration. Before we begin, I'll say that this presentation was initially created as a PowerPoint presentation and then converted to a PDF file. So what we're seeing now is the online PDF. And much like a lot of presentations today that are in PDF format, on the side here you will be able to see whether or not there is the bookmarks, which are basically the slide heading. So you could follow the outline of the presentation this way as well. Now in terms of adding courses to your schedule, you need to be aware of the add drop dates, the resign dates. You need to know where to find information about general education requirements, courses to get into your major. So we're hoping that you are working with an advisor as you begin to build your schedule. MyUB or web registration is found within MyUB. So you're going to have to enter your username and password. Click on the Add Courses button and then click on Web Registration. But again, you're going to use these resources in the middle column: the class schedule, perhaps the schedule wizard, your DARS report, and at the bottom of this page the undergraduate catalog for information about gen eds and degree requirements. When you click on Web Reg, this is the screen that you get. And the first thing you want to do is verify that your username is listed here. If your username is not listed here, exit out of web registration and close the browser and start the process again. But for this purpose, we are Victory Bull, so we're going to click on Add Course. It will then give us a next screen which will ask us to select a semester and a year and then continue. You will then select an intended major from this drop-down screen. If it was the start of a registration window, this would tell you when you could begin registering for classes. And if you're a new student, you will want to meet with an academic advisor to understand registration, the various tools. If you have a check stop, that information will be listed here as well. Thing about check stop is they need to be cleared up before you can register. Now, we don't have any check stops, so we are ready to go. What we would do is each course will have its own unique 6-digit registration number, and that information is found in the electronic class schedule. You would enter that 6-digit number here, click Add Course, and submit. If the course gets added to your schedule, you'll see the results down here right away. It will also give you results such as course closed, course closed to non-majors, course conflicts with something that you're already in. But in either case, you're ready to go to your next class. Then when you're done with your registration, always check any of your transactions by going to View Schedule. And you will see here is your class schedule. You want to double check that the 6-digit numbers that you entered gave you the right courses. So if you wanted physics but you got psych, then you entered this number incorrectly. If, let's say, you say, you know what, let me double check the View Open Courses link. What you can do here and see in real time if a seat might have opened up. So you enter the department, and let's say we want geology freshman level. You would then hit that, and then it would give you the information, and if there's courses available in that instant, you can click the Add Course button. Now, word of warning, if there's only one seat, and 2 of you are trying to get it, but somebody else clicks it a nanosecond before you, they will get that seat and you won't. So that's the end of this presentation. We will have other presentations similar to this on resigning courses that you will find on the Help Center site.